Layle. I'm here today to share with you a brand new Layle by Mail project kit that will be shipping the end of August. And it is a Happy Disney Hauntings mini book. Now, before I get started, one thing I want to point out, this is definitely adaptable to a non-Disney style Halloween project. So super simple to just remove a couple of the definitely more Disney-esque things like that little punched Mickey head. So works well for Disney, obviously, but then works well without as well. So let's start out by talking about the cover or the base of the project. This is a really fun interactive album from 49 and Market. So I'm using the Simple Stories Say Cheese Halloween collection mixed with the Crate Paper Hey Pumpkin collection, and they blend so well together. So this is super thick. I'm going to say that's about close to 2 inches. So lots of good stuff in there. Custom die cut castle, that will be included in the kit. But as we open up and kind of take a look, the Hey Pumpkin collection from Crate Paper is super fun. Also has holographic foil accents in the paper. I'm also including a package of the holographic foil thickers. So you'll see those used all throughout the album. But lots of little interactive pieces. As you see, things are going to fold out. Pockets there with tags. Another fold out. This great fun little ghost with this little tissue paper bottom of the ghost. I don't know what you call the bottom of the ghost. It's kind of like a little dress. Or actually, it's kind of like a hula skirt. So let's call that the Ghost's Hula Skirt. Lots and lots of photos. This one is super fun. So it closes with ribbon, and then that little peekaboo opens up. You've got trick or treat and little kids and room for photos or journaling there. Here, this would be an example of where we would remove any Disney if we did not want that Disney theme to go in the album. This spread I think is really fun. So as we kind of open up now, this interactive book that we're working with, as you can see, I'm doing lots of things and teaching lots of things about how to fold it differently, how to cut it, adhere, to do lots of great little interactive fold outs and so forth. This is another example of that. So this is a pocket for your photos, more photos, but then it also flips over here so you have room for a little bit of journaling. Isn't that fun? Lots of pop dots in this for lots of additional dimension, little flip ups. This guy has a fold there and there. Make sure you can kind of still see that on camera because we're getting a little wide, and kind of wraps up with a pocket and then room for more photos. So cute little back cover. And the spine is decorated as well. So in the description of the video, you will find all of the information on ordering this brand new Layle by Mail project kit. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.